Special trip kami, guys. Thank you, Lord.
Should a life jacket be required, you will find it underneath your seat, or it designated compartments on the left, like buckles of the one of your arms into the life jacket. Then stretch your other arm into the life jacket and engage the buckle. Adjust the buckle strap for a tight but comfortable
Hey, hello. Thank you, Lord.
Ang ganda po.
Life bears can also positioned at the front and back. In the event of a fire, fire extinguishers are located at designated mast.
Special. Yan nga.
Smoking is not permitted on board the boat.
Hindi. Yan na lang kayo ni Papa Wow. Oh, hello. Special trip. Noah. Strong. Ang galing.
Thank you for answering.
Yes. Favor of the Lord talaga. Thank you, Lord. Hello guys. Arkelado ni Noe Strong namin. Oo. Yan yung sinasabi nila.
Once lined with brass bags. Now known more for its eateries and a microbrewery, it is built on the site of what was formerly Hollywood Key, probably named after Chiang Hai, a 19th century
Pambot. Cruise.
Hollywood.
Tom Cruise. Cruise Singapore.
Societies, premium smokers, much prostitutes. Most of the old buildings in the area are torn down and the waterfront go down.
Ayan, ang dami oh.
As colorful as it was in those days.
Yehey!
Much without presentation.
Ay, nawa. Ito sa papa na.
Playing with eateries, movie spots, and entertainment. But it was a very different place from the 1800s until just a few decades ago. Hundreds of golf carts.
Ano yun? Yung? Ano yun?
Discouraging their car the limelight was sitting on straight.
Special trip, Noah! Kaya muna yun. Buti na lang doon tayo bumili. Dito kasi marami dito talaga. Yan o. Banda. Crowded dito. Doon ko konti. Port Canning. Port Canning na yun eh. Oo. Yan, dito din. Tingnan mo, ang dami nila oh. Pila dyan. Clark Quay. Special trip, Noah. Oh, Clark Quay na ito, Clark Quay. Yan, Clark Quay Central. Nagtataka siguro sila. Arkilado ni Noah. No? Ayan yung sinasabi kong slingshot, Nel. Yan. Gusto mo dyan? Yung hagis-hagis ka.
First built in 1840, the original Colwyn Bridge was
Tingnan nyo guys, arkilado namin. Oh. Favor of the Lord.
and named after G.B. Hall, the first superintendent of public works, who also designed the first government house at Fort Canning Hill, the Armenian Church, and the Fort.
Ayan o, tingnan mo ang ganda oh.
This is
Yung bridge.
Bridge, which was rebuilt in 1865 and again in 1886. The current structure, modeled after the 1886 bridge, was built between 1886
Malalim siguro.
to integrate
Mamaya na. Mamaya, pagbalik na lang ako din mag-live. Ay, mag-picture, mag-video. Ito kay Noah muna. Saan? Aeroplano? Yun! Galing na. Yun si Mami. Official na, Nel. Ang galing na. Oh. Favor of the Lord. River walk.
Kanina ka.
Ako.
Yun yung salubong natin, oh.
Hey, hello.
Ay, nasa kanila.
Ah,
Yun yung salubong.
lakas mo ah. Ah. Ah, ikaw ayaw.
The latter part of Singapore was in the earliest colonial days, though key was for over a century.
Ay, kay mami. Hello.
Thousands of migrants to live and live.
Hello guys.
Fortunes were made. Just opposite was
Ay, makita niyo yung Fullerton Hotel. Maganda.
standard. This area has remained
Heritage. Eh, restaurant, no? Ang dami. Oh, dami kainan dito.
that bank of the river, with the north bank reserved for government purposes.
Hindi, ganda pa po.
That
Magutom.
is the widest point.
Oo ah.
Many
Oo.
an auspicious creature to the Chinese, with leading banks vying for space and aerial dominance in the spine.
Mayaman.
Find two
Hindi.
buildings in the vicinity, and QOB Plaza One, one in space, both 280 meters tall.
Yung anak niya, no?
One
Dito.
round space, originally OUB Center, was, at the time of its completion in 1986, the world's tallest building outside North America. In the 1980s, the river cleanup well underway decided to preserve the historic charms of both Keys Go Downs mansion plazas. Today, it is a popular spot for food, recreation, and pubbing, especially for those who work in the area. Now,
Ganda, Nel. Swa. Nowa.
Ano? Hindi.
Siyam ako dyan.
Hindi, dyan ka na lang muna.
Siyam.
Hindi, dyan ka na lang muna.
Sulit na ni Mami, nakatipat-tipat na.
Hindi. Safety yan, safety.
May ganito din siya.
Yan.
Nakanta to.
Tanggalin mo ito. Akin na nga ito, tubig. Oh, yan. Yan. See ya. Ganda na. Ganda. Ano, nilalakad ko isang oras mula sa bahay hanggang sa Merlion. Yung nilalakad ko. Oo, maglakad din. Ay, hindi. Hindi pwede tayong ibaba. Ibabalik tayo doon. Hindi kayo ibababa dyan. Hindi kayo ibababa dito. Diyan. Mag-turn lang to. Babalik din tayo. Babalik din tayo doon. Hindi pwede. Hindi pwedeng bababa. Oo, ito papuntang Merlion na. Pero hindi tayo bababa kasi
Nakira lang si Nawa eh. Nawa. Nawa, yung kinawa ng bisi.
Arkelado, no is strong. Oh, hello. Bye-bye. Taktakada mo siguro na.
Tapos kasi pinagkatutay ko na. Kung kasi pasit lang ako na.
Family.
Kasi talaga din ako ah.
Oh.
Ah, sabi ko.
Kagabi pa, blessing talaga, no? Opo. Ayan, biyan na Fullerton Hotel na. Diyos, ayan, oh, maganda yan, yung maganda. Yan.
Current Bolton Hotel opening in December 2000.
We
In
were.
its early years, the building was considered
Ah, opo.
its tradition.
Race.
Ay, kukuha nga ako na pala ng ano.
Kahit witness.
Berlayo. Nadami dyan. Ikot kasi to. Babalik na tayo. Kukuha pa ako ng ano ko video.
Singapore lang.
Tapos ka na, Nel? Hawakan mo nga ito para kukuha na rin ako ng ano, content ko. Yan. Para sa pang-post na. Hindi. Tama. Ayun na yung makeup.
Apa?
Hello guys, hindi ka lang. Yan, special gift. Ayan si Patricia. Ayan yung Oo, ano mo pa din para hanggang ano, 4
Built in
minutes.
1933, Here became an important land and agriculture facility.
Wow, oh, hawakan ko lang kasi. TikTok ko.
Dito Singapore ako.
Siyempre. Maganda kasi paghapon.
Lima.